Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Virus. I am Subham Kesri. In this session, we will see some more about form. Now see, select box control. A select box, also known as drop down box, provides list of options in the form of drop down list from where an user can select option of his choice. To create a drop down list, we use select tag. There are various attributes for select tag. First one is name. It is used to give name to the control which is sent to the server to get the value. Size. This can be used to present a scrolling list box. Multiple. If set to multiple, then it allows an user to select multiple items from the menu. We use option tag inside select tag to give options. There are various types of attribute of option tag. First one is value, the value that will be used if an option in the select box is selected. Second one is selected. It specifies that a certain option should be the initially selected value when the page loads. Third one is level, an alternative way of leveling option. Now open your text editor and write here HTML head title, give a title here, close title tag, then close head tag, open body tag, write here bg color equals to pink. Now open form tag. Now write here CT, write here select, give a name. Now use option tag, write here value equals to Mumbai, write here Mumbai, close option tag. Now select it, copy it and paste it here. Now do it Delhi, here also Delhi, here Chennai, Chennai, here Kolkata, now close select tag, close form tag, close body tag and finally close HTML tag. Now save it with form.html. Now run this form.html. See, we have multiple options for this CT. You can choose any of your choice. See, okay. Now file upload box. HTML allows an user to upload files on website. In HTML, an user can upload a file using file upload box, also known as file select box. This is created using the input element but type will set to file. There are some attributes supported in file upload box. First one is type. It indicates the type of input control and for file upload box it will set to file. Second one is name, used to give a name to the control which is sent to the server to get the value. Third one is accept. It specifies the type of file that the server accepts. The value of accept can be file extension for any file, audio for audio file, video for video file, image for image file, and media type for another any media file. Now open your text editor and write here, write photo, and write here input type equals to file, then write name equals to photo, and write accept equals to image. Now close input tag, save it and refresh it. See, we have an option to upload an image here. Write here one BR to break the line, save it, and now refresh it. See, yes. Now click on it and choose any image. See, here we have successfully uploaded logo.png. Now button controls. There are various ways in HTML to create click buttons. We can create a clickable button using input tag by setting its type attribute to button. We can also create a clickable button using button tag and specify the type of button inside it. There are some buttons supported by HTML. First one is submit. This creates a button that automatically submits a form. Reset. It creates a button that automatically resets the form to their initial value. Button. This creates a button that is used to trigger a client-side script when an user click on that. And fourth one is image. This creates a clickable button, but we can use an image as background of the button. Now open your text editor. Write here BR once to break the line. Now here we will create button. Okay, right here input type equals to submit, name equals to submit, and value equals to submit. Now close input tag, copy it and paste it. Do here reset, reset, reset. Now here button, right here okay, okay button, okay. Now right here image, to create an image button. And give here name of image, write src for source of image, and write logo.png. Now save it, refresh it. See, we have 4 buttons. First one is submit button, second one is reset button, third one is OK button, and fourth one is image button having an image in background. Okay, Now see, we can also create image, we can also create button using button tag. Right here, button type equals to submit, value equals to submit, and then right here submit. Close here button tag. Now save it, refresh it. See, here we have two submit button. One is this and another is this. Okay, this submit button is created with button tag. Okay, friends, in this session we saw about more on form tag. If you have any type of problem related to this, then please knock me on comment section. Thank you.